So I had a viewer ask, how did I actually make these bottles? So I've made a little video on how I did that. I started off with a few random bits of scrap clay. I love the colouring that came through on the finished bottles, especially the darker brown. So I just tear up bits of clay and layer it, compress it, and then wedge it. Roll it into a large coil and then cut it into sections. For each bottle, shape it, use a really thin piece of dowel or the end of a paintbrush would do. Push it all the way through, shape it a little bit more, shape the neck. Shape around the top so that the cork will fit in. Your opening at the top needs to be a little bit bigger than the cork so that on shrinkage the cork will still fit. So just shape that a little bit more, make it a little bit bigger, and then turn it over and shape out the base a little bit more. And then the little bit of clay that I pushed out at the end, I joined that with another little bit of clay, rolled that into a little ball, flatten it out, dip it in water, and then you're going to use that to create the base of your bottle. And just blend that all in. Here's just a couple more to watch the process again on speed video. At the end of making the bottles, I might just do a little bit of quality control and shape some of the necks in a little bit more. And here's the little collection that I made. Going to look pretty cool with those different colours of clay in them. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments. Always happy to answer your questions. As you can see, it was a pretty easy process. I hope that you can make some yourself.